Dream house of Mr. and Mrs. Eliezer and Geraldine Silvestre. House floor plan, 5,000 pesos po ang binayad po nila sa pinsan ni Sir na engineer. Hello po sa lahat, welcome back po ulit sa ating YouTube channel, OFW Simple House Vlog. Shout out po pala kay Ma'am Engineer Joyce Ann Angel. Building permit, 13,000 pesos po ang binayad po nila. This house is located in San Marcelino, Dingras, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Itong bahay po nila ni Ma'am at Sir, inuna po nila ang paggawa ng poste. Malalaking round bar po ang ginamit po nila at naglagay rin po sila ng poste sa loob ng bahay. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Matibay po ang pundisyon nitong bahay. Malalaki po yung poste at saka tie beam. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them. Ang sukat po pala nitong bahay is 8 by 9 meter. May extension po sa dirty kitchen na 3 by 1.5 meter. Extension sa terrace na 3 by 2.5 meter. Total of 84 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, terrace, living, dining at saka kitchen. Wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. Halos buo na po ang structural ng bahay at saka division sa loob ng bahay. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Price steel truss materials po natin. Gumamit po pala sila dito ng 12mm na round bar, 186 pesos po bawat isang piraso. Zipper lens na 2 by 10 by 1.2 po ang kapal, 825 pesos po bawat isang piraso. Zipper lens na 2 by 3, 1.2 rin po ang kapal, 345 pesos po bawat isang piraso. Angle bar na 3 by 16 by 1 and 1/2, 350 pesos po bawat isang piraso. Angle bar na 3 by 16 by 2, 460 pesos po bawat isang piraso. 1 gallon SP gray, 750 pesos po bawat isa. 1 gallon thinner, 250 pesos po bawat isa. Welding rod, 1/8, 70 pesos po bawat isa. Toka 14 CD, 200 pesos po bawat isa. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Itong 12mm po na round bar, ginamit po nila ito na brace sa zipper lens para lalong tumibay. At ito namang angle bar na 3x16 by 1 and 1/2 at saka angle bar na 3x16 by 2. Yun po yung mismong ginawang frame sa steel trusses ng bahay.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
At ang zipper lens naman po na 2x3, 1.2 po ang kapal. Yun po ang sa ibabaw po mismo ng trusses bago po ang roofing ng bahay.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
At ito naman pong zipper lens na 2x10, 1.2 po ang kapal. Yun po nilagay sa dulo ng steel trusses. Yang makikita nyo po na malaki, dyan po kinakabit po ang gutter ng roofing ng bahay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
After 25 days, ganito na po siya. Natapos na po ang structural at steel trusses ng bahay.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Si Ma'am po pala ay isang DH sa Saudi Arabia. 1 year and 6 months na rin po siyang abroad. At si Sir naman po ay nagtatrabaho sa Taiwan bilang factory worker. 5 years na rin po siyang abroad. Mayroon silang 2 anak from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Ito po pala si Ma'am Engineer Joyce Angel. Pinsan po siya ni Sir. Siya po ang nagmanage ng lahat upang magawa ng maayos ang bahay. Building a house, 340,000 pesos with labor, 6,800 US dollar. Congrats Mr. and Mrs. Eliezer and Geraldine Silvestre, Saudi and Taiwan OFW from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Nakabili na rin po sila ng roofing materials. Hindi lang po na-deliver at nakabit dahil po sa lockdown. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless to all. Sa mga kababayan po pala natin na nakapagawa na po ng bahay, congrats po sa inyo mga ma'am at sir. Sa gusto po pala magpa-share ng napagawang bahay, message nyo lang po ako sa Facebook, Randy Ryubo Cayero. Share po natin for inspirational at idea po para sa lahat. God bless. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Thank you so much mga ka-OFW. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please subscribe na sa Randy Yero YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit bell button for our latest updates.